Closets by Designs not only specializes in closets, they also customize pantries, garages, and desks.
Obviously, we do a lot of closets. Closets is a big thing, you know, closets. But we do a lot of things. We do a lot of garages, especially with it being spring. We do a lot of things to really get your garage organized. We do garage flooring as well as cabinetry, wall systems, things of that nature. But also mudrooms, pantries, offices, islands, really any space of the house that needs some sort of organization. We have the solution that we can help optimize that space and not only get it looking beautiful, but also functional as well.
The company also customizes pieces for each customer to better fit their area. Adam Haymore says since reopening, the company has been flooded with business.
We did actually come back, and for us it's been busier than it's ever been. So we had a lot of people calling and saying, my work situation has changed. I'm now working remotely and I really need a place to kind of work. So we've been doing a lot of customized desks, customizes office and school spaces, and things to kind of make it transition into working from home a little bit more easy and also organize them, you know, in the process.
The extra business isn't anything they can't handle.
So the good thing is, as busy as we are, we have grown kind of our employment as a company as well. So we have added designers, installers, and everybody is now officially up and trained because we came back in May and it was just full speed. So we've now kind of gotten to that point where we've been able to grow as a company and get staffed properly to make sure that we are able to kind of hit some people's timelines and deadlines and things like that. So right now, if you call for a consultation, we can get you in pretty soon, in a couple days, if not in some occasions the next day, and you know, work around your schedule. We are very flexible, where we have morning appointments, afternoon and evening appointments as well as weekend appointments for those who kind of that works a little bit more comfortable. So we can get a designer out to you pretty quick, and they will do, you know, get everything sketched up, designed, go over all the samples with you, and get everything wrapped up for you that day.
And customers have a bunch of different options to choose from.
The great thing about us is everything is truly a customized piece of furniture that goes in. So no matter how big or small your space is, we're really able to give you the best storage solution and optimize that space, you know, fully. So everything is will fit exactly perfect, cut to fit, and it's a custom-made space that will be specific to your needs and your wants as well. We have some of the largest color selections in the industry. We have so many different, from solid colors to wood grain looks to also wood grain feels that will feel kind of more like a textured pattern and kind of more like traditional wood grain deep ridges. So a lot of different samples that they bring to your home that we can kind of use to customize the space and make sure that you know, it gives you the functionality, but it also gives you that look you're really looking to get.
Haymore says it doesn't have to cost a bunch.
Because we do offer so many different product lines, we like to take pride in the fact that we're allowed to hit so many different budgets. So if somebody is just looking for complete functionality, we do have a very cost-effective line that will get them in, get their space renovated, whether it's your office, whether it's a desk or a closet or garage, and get you the same functionality that you would with kind of some of our upgrades. But then we also do have, I guess what you could call the flair, where if you want that desk or that closet to be the focal point of your room, we do have a lot of options where we can really dress it up. So we do take pride in coming into your home and saying we can hit this budget all the way up to this budget, but the good thing is the customer is really in control of everything because we break everything down and say this is the price for function, and then if you do colors or upgrades here, and everything is kind of, I guess you can say a la carte, so you kind of are in complete control over what that price is at the end, so you know that you're not going over your budget.
Business is steady with more people at home, but the company says there's still plenty of availability for new customers. Reporting in Oxford, Alexis Ware, Oxford Community Television.